how to create a new site in WordPress. So if you want to create a new site in WordPress, it is very simple. Once you log in inside your WordPress dashboard where you're under your sites, what you have to do is just click on the option called add new site, as you can see from the top right. Now if you have not yet created any site, you will see that you do not have any site. Now in this case, I'll just go ahead and then type in the name of the site that I would like to create, and once done, I'll just hit this option and I can just choose one of the recommended domains right here, and then I can click the select option right there. Once I've done that, I can click the continue button, or I can also choose my domain later if I want to, but if I want, I can just go ahead and then select that. Now I can choose a flavor. By the way, it will ask me to compare with the payment method, but what I can do is for now I'll skip this and choose the domain later. Here you can see the free version, personal, premium, and so on. I'll start with the free version for now, just for the tutorial purpose only. Once you've done this, you have to first make sure to decide what kind of website it is. It is a freelancing website, your portfolio website, an e-commerce website, a blogging website, or what kind of website it is. Similar type of things you have to install accordingly. So let's say you want to sell physical goods or services right there. You could select that. If it is a showcase or work portfolio, you could select that. Click on the next option, and accordingly only you will be granted the themes that you can choose. So you can choose a free theme out of this and just go ahead and select that theme. And then after you've done that, on the next page you have to just click on the continue button. You will see different styles and different variations, as you can see here, and click the continue button. And then after that, your site on WordPress will be successfully made. And you can also go ahead and then figure out all the basic things later, like personalizing your site and making it yours. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.